What's up everybody, Jason Page here and welcome back to another light painting video. And what better time to talk about this image right here than now. I don't know how many of y'all follow what's happening in the stock market, but there is an absolute beautiful thing happening right now from the Reddit community. I'm sure a lot of you have heard about this by now. I'm going to warn you right now, I'm really fired up about this. Just about anything that has any sort of power or influence in this world, whether it be the media, whether it be banks, whether it be politics, it's all corrupt. It's all bullshit. This right here in the Reddit community shows the power of the people united. It's beautiful. It's absolutely freaking beautiful. Sorry, I'm really fired up about this. I'm really happy to see it. I don't think it's going to end well. I'm under no delusions whatsoever that this is going to change the world or anything like that. But it could. It absolutely could. It absolutely could change something for the better. And the reason that it could is because people from all over the place came together, because the people united have the power. That's what matters. It's not about politics. It's not about religion. It's not about, oh, you've got a different skin color than me, so I shouldn't like you. That's what the media wants you to believe. That's what the elite people want you to think. They want to keep you divided because it's the oldest strategy in the book. It's called divide and conquer. If you're distracted with politics, if you're distracted with this, that, or the other thing, you're not looking at the real problem. And the real problem is the system that we all live in is designed to screw us all, except for a very, very few people at the top. If you go through and you read the Reddit community, the people in there are not about, oh, I'm going to get rich. I'm sure there's a lot of people in there that are just trying to make a buck, right? Fine. But at the core of what's happening in that community, it's not about making money. It's about making a point. I don't know what's going to come out of this whole thing. I have no idea if this thing's going to continue. This thing, in my opinion, has the power to disrupt the whole system by unveiling it and showing the level of corruption that is behind just our financial system. Again, you can get into the politics, you can get into corporations, you can get into all these other things that are completely corrupt from the top to the bottom. But this one thing really, truly does have some power behind it, and I hope that there's some good that comes out of it. I don't have any idea what the answers are. I just am a light painter, but I think something needs to change, because what's happening now for most of the world sucks. So anyway, let's get into the image I created now. It's called Live Free, and it's what we all want and what we all deserve. The tools that I used were the popsicle plexiglass from Light Painting Brushes, along with the universal connector and the Soonfire DS30 flashlight. The camera that I used was the Canon 6D Mark II, along with the Rokinon 14mm manual lens. The manual part about the lens is important, particularly on this image, because I shot the light writing part of the image at ISO 100 f11, shooting on bulb mode, just allowing the exposure to run. And after I was done creating the light writing, I walked over to the camera and opened up the aperture to 2.8 to allow the background in the sky to expose. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and show you the video now of exactly how I created this light writing. Again, the settings that I'm using are ISO 100 f11 for the light writing, and the tools that I'm using are the Light Painting Brushes popsicle plexiglass, along with the universal connector and the Soonfire DS30 flashlight. The most difficult part about light writing is that you have to write backwards. So I'm starting on frame left here, writing out Live Free. The other difficult part about light writing is the spatial awareness. As you'll see here, I'm using the ground as the bottom of my letter, and I like to do that in a lot of my light writing images because it really does help me with the spatial awareness and the sizing of the letter. The other thing that's helping me with the sizing of the letter to try to keep the letters the same size throughout both of the words is I'm using my body as a guide. So as you'll see, as I come up to the top of the letter, I'm going to the same point each time, which is just above my waist, about in between my waist and chest. I really do like the water here. I love light writing on water because it gets some really cool reflections. And as you'll see here, even on the end letters, I'm actually putting the plexiglass all the way down into the water to really maximize that reflection. Now I'm walking over to the camera to open up the aperture to 2.8 to allow more light into the camera so that the scene exposes more quickly. The total exposure time turned out to be 132 seconds, and I love the way it turned out. Thank you guys very much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. A couple tips to keep in mind is that when you are doing your light writing, you can use your body as a guide. That is, whether you're doing up here in space or if, like in this image, you're writing on the ground. Again, for this image, all I did was use my body as a guide. So I used the ground as the bottom of the letter, and then I knew the height of the letter because I came up to the same part of my body, my waist level, each time as I wrote the words out across the water there. It does take some practice. I had to shoot it a few times before I got one that I was happy with, but that is the general practice of it, and it will make it much easier if you use your body as a guide to get your letters more uniform in your image. I know I went on a bit about the ranting and raving about the Wall Street and all that kind of stuff. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, I do highly recommend that you look into it a little bit because it really does unveil the corruption in just that system. Again, you can go down the rabbit hole and look into corporations and politics and everything else and all these systems that are put in place to keep everybody down and just a few at the top winning. But again, don't go too far down the rabbit hole because you'll probably just get depressed. But if you do go too far down the rabbit hole, a really good way to bring yourself back is go out and light paint. One of the most beautiful things about light painting is that it is very good for your mind. We are by nature creators, and anything that is creative is really good for your brain here, and it gets you back to thinking how you're supposed to think and puts you back in your brain instead of listening to all the distractions from the outside world. So that's where the big changes are truly made, is in here, not out there. Again, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, thumbs up down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button. And if you have any questions, comments, or you just want to rant and rave about how stupid the system is, put it down in the comment section. I'd love to hear your thoughts on that as well. Until the next video, guys, get out there and get creative.